Hey, welcome to this episode. Oh, go again. Hey, welcome to this episode of Luke's Man Cave here at Good Guys Garage. Hi, my name's Luke. You might remember me from such things as episode 1. Have a little sip. Have a little bit of a posture. There we go. I look less fat when there's posture involved. Thank you, Owen. Thank you for participating in my Luke show. This is my BMW replica. The multi-link rear suspension, as seen on this Earth, is go again. That rolls off the tongue. M Sport. There was a little hangover on the coupe. No, bollocks. Blue. Happy days. That's it. Yeah.
Oh right, okay.
Deluxe interior. Hang on, I don't know. There's no. Seen the wheels.
Sorry, one thing.
The two lead designers on the E36 were Pinky and Deutschmann. Hang on, let me double check that. Pinky and Boyke. The lead designers of the E36 were Pinky and Boyke. The two lead designers on the E36 were Pinky and Boyke. With a compression ratio of 10.5 to 1, the These guys are thinking, what the fuck's going on? So we've been waffling bollocks. Hopefully the pizza's ready.